This is the journey of how my perfectly organized home went from looking like this to this. And that's not even half of it. My house was a complete mess for days. But oh my god, why? And was it worth it? Keep watching to find out.
Guys, major announcement. Oh my god, I wonder how I'm going to pull this off. But some of you know that my room, there was a leak. The leak was actually coming from my bathroom and also from my neighbor's bathroom above, and it completely decimated the walls. Like, the walls look like a hot friggin' mess. I was gonna paint it earlier. In fact, in one of my vlogs I talked about painting it, and you guys helped me choose a color. More on that later, but I ended up not painting it then and there because the leak was still persistent. So right now the leak has been fixed. So I'm finally going to be painting. Oh my god, oh my god. And then what color did I go with? First of all, babes, I didn't go with the color that you guys chose. I'm sorry, but you guys chose like a green color. I have plants in my room. So it's going to be too monotonous. You get what I mean? Too green on green. Like, I wasn't feeling the vibe. However, I went with another color. But you guys are going to have to stick around in this video to find out what color I went with. That said, this plant room is also getting repainted. In fact, this is the one I'm freaking out about the most because I have to move all these plants. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. I have to move all these plants. I don't know how we're gonna detach all of these. Like, it just seems like a lot of work, but we're gonna do this together. And if you're asking why this plant room needs to be repainted, babes, can you see the stains? Can you see the stains on the wall? The person that painted this plant room did not do a good job, like priming the paint, I was told. You can see here, this is just damage caused by like very little water coming in when I forget to close the window. And just look it, it's icky. For the plant room, we're still gonna stick with white as a color because white just perfectly works for my content background. As you all know, I shoot most of my content here, and also white makes a room brighter. So anyways, the painter is about coming. I'm gonna take you guys along this journey. We're gonna do all of this together, so stay tuned. And yeah.
Guys, it is night time and the plants are gonna be spending the night here. He's not still done painting. Okay, so truth be told, I had him paint. He's actually painting 3 rooms in total. So he's painting this room. This is like the guest room. So I live in a 3-bedroom apartment, and this is the guest room. He's painting it all white as well. And then this is the plant room as it stands now. Oh my god, it looks like such a mess, but he did an amazing job. I cannot wait to show you guys the full results tomorrow morning. I think by then I should also be able to keep my plants. So what is remaining right now is my bedroom, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what color I went with. Good night and see you guys tomorrow. So I'm a content creator and this is how I make my money, so please, I have to record everything though. There's paint on my plant at the back. I do not know how and why this plant stained, because I mean they were painting indoors. So what? This one has just been through it. She's just been through so much in life. We got all the paint on her, and also I think I left her outside here to get watered with the rain. I forgot, and the sun came out and burnt her again. Like, you've just been through so much in life, babes. This country's hot, Jesus. And by the way, if you're wondering why I'm sweating like a mad person, it's because I just finished rearranging my room. I cannot wait until you see the room transformation. It is epic. It looks so amazing. Oh my god. I'm saving it till the end of this video, so stay tuned to watch that color of paint I went with. Oh my god, so much better than the pink. It's so calming. It is, oh, I don't want to give too much away. Just wait until the end of this video to see. Now we have to do this. Oh my goodness gracious, this is the part that I was dreading, putting everything back together. I'd already started the process, but then I realized, oh my god, Ibuka, you're a YouTuber now, so you have to record this. This is what pays the bills now. Let me rest a bit and then we get to work. I'm a lazy child, so I'm gonna see how I can move all of these things here without breaking anyone. If it breaks, then that's the consequence of being a lazy child. But We did it, Joe. Nothing broke. You see, sometimes being lazy pays off. But these glasses are quite dirty too.
If you are finished,
No, just wash them.
what can now?
Yeah. I still haven't gotten around to buying a print for this thrifted frame. And if you're from Norway, this is a picture of a waterfall in Norway. So I have a picture of a waterfall in Norway in my plant room in Nigeria. Isn't that just awesome how things end up in parts of the world that you never know? This is a desert rose that rotted, and I added some cinnamon. I cut it, added cinnamon, and it's literally growing. I have to put this in soil. I am so amazed. You guys may remember there used to be this huge aglonema here in this basket, but I don't think I want that anymore. I think this would do better here. What do you guys think? Oh my god, yes! Yes! Hi. It's the next day. I gave up yesterday. I gave up. The heat was too much. My phone overheated. I just gave up. In life, it's important to know when to give up and start again. So I gave up yesterday, and then early this morning, while the weather was still cool, I went to work and I reassembled this plant room. And in my opinion, this is the best year I've ever looked. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna insert B-rolls, babes. And by the way, if you're wondering why I am dressed like this, I don't know. I just felt like I was being extra. I actually don't drink alcohol, but I just figured this would just you know, look cool if I did this. So oh Jesus. I don't know what people like about alcohol. It's bitter. Why do you guys like drinking something that is bitter? Anyways, so let's look around at some of the changes I made, and then we'll head over to the bedroom reveal. Oh my god. Roll the B-rolls. So what do you guys think about the new arrangement of the plant room? I feel like with my previous arrangement, the plants here were really blocking out the light. So I didn't want that to be the case. So instead I went for trailing plants that trail downwards. And then this philodendron that spreads instead of growing vertically. Anyways, let's head over to the bedroom. Look at the material. I absolutely love how my room turned out. Initially, this wasn't the paint color that I wanted. I'm gonna insert a picture of what I wanted. And I was initially distraught. That's Rupert, my teddy bear. Say hi, Rupert. Help me! But there's something absolutely earthy about this color. It reminds me of like, not exactly terracotta, but like clay. It reminds me of the earth. It feels like this isn't a synthetic chemical paint. It feels like this room is now part of the earth. like I live in a plastered mud house, and I absolutely love the vibe. It is not only earthy, but it is extremely calming to the eye and to the senses. Initially thought the paint would clash with all the browns I have in this room, but it just varies very beautifully. Look at the brown of that wood plus the brown of the rattan, and then the dark brown of that coffee table over there, and then also the shelf. Oh my goodness gracious, I absolutely love it. And then obviously we all know as plant people that browns and greens pair well so together. So of course adding greenery like the green touches of that sansevieria, this beautiful anthurium. This plant is quite scary though at night. Like babes, last night it literally almost gave me a heart attack. But she's flowering, can you see? So like all these green touches just completely elevate the room. Like, and of course little touches of color like my lamp, and then that colorful blue planter. Let me know babes, what do you think in the comments? Do you love this?